Welcome to the SCMR Camel Certification Course Dashboard. Here you can monitor your overall progress, see how many chapters you've read, and track your mock exam attempts. The Chapter Summaries section provides distilled expert outlines of the official syllabus. This helps you master the content and align your learning with the exam requirements. Within each summary, you will find key examinable areas and common pitfalls. This section also includes exam tricks to help you identify how questions are typically structured. Scroll down to find additional exam notes, all numerical values, and potential exam traps related to the chapter content. You can navigate between chapters at the bottom of the page. The Quick Cheat Sheet is a searchable reference for definitions, key terms, timelines, and regulatory bodies mentioned in the course. Use the study flashcards for active recall. This section allows you to test your memory of key rules and facts from the course material. Clicking the card reveals the answer, helping you verify your knowledge quickly and efficiently. The Mock Exam Hub offers 4 unique practice exams, totaling 200 questions. These are designed to test your knowledge across different question styles, including foundations, applied, advanced, and mixed. Selecting a mock exam provides details on the format, time limit, number of questions, and the passing mark of 70%. Click Start Exam Now to begin your practice. The exam interface tracks your progress and time remaining. Select an answer and click Next to proceed through the questions. Upon completion, you receive your results and a detailed correction review. This review includes explanations for each question, helping you understand where you went wrong. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is available to answer any questions you have about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics. Simply type your question to start the conversation.